accurate forecast. This is 10 News Pinpoint Weather, sponsored by Subway.
Another chilly night in San Diego, so how cold is it going to get?
Well, the coldest spots will be down in the 20s, but some areas will average in the mid-30s, even coastal areas. I'll pinpoint where those numbers will be the lowest in a second. As we take a look outside in Del Mar, of course, it's dark out there. It's getting very cold. That's the result of the latest storm system, and it seems like every storm comes in, brings a lot of wind, very little rain. There's a series of systems heading our way this weekend, and both of them will also provide chilly temperatures. But before that changes and we get trapped in that cold air, a warm-up is in store. We'll start to see those numbers improving as early as tomorrow afternoon, and it's going to be much better on Thursday and Friday. Then we'll be watching the jet stream dipping once again, allowing for much colder air to move in time for the weekend. Tonight, we'll see those numbers down in the mid-30s, a couple of 20s, including Ramona, El Cajon, low 30s tonight, Kearney Mesa at 35 degrees, Oceanside, Carlsbad averaging from 35 to 39. Then tomorrow, we'll start to improve. About 5 degrees better than this afternoon, so we'll see a couple of low 60s, El Cajon, Escondido, Vista, Oceanside 60 degrees, a chilly day at the coast in the low 60s. And our 10 News Pinpoint 7-day forecast will keep it cool, 63 degrees on Wednesday. Thursday improving into the mid and upper 60s. By Friday, we'll be in the 70s. Here comes a series of storms. Here's the breakdown. Later on Saturday, we'll start to see the potential for some showers. Temperatures will get much cooler. On Monday and Tuesday, also looking a bit unsettled. The second wave of low pressure will be arriving late on Sunday, allowing for the potential of showers to continue into the early part of next week. That's taken us into the holiday week. So yes, potential for rain just before Christmas. In the mountains, will be in the low 40s, 50s Thursday, Friday, and then over the weekend with that next system moving in, dropping back down to the 50s and 40s on Saturday and Sunday.
Just amazing.
I like that the rain has been spread out, not just at one time, a big chunk of rain.
And we're right on track.
Yeah, good.
That works out well.